issues that I found from the last episode with the driving so shitty. When I did the lower intake runner, I didn't have a gasket, and I tried using RTV, and I didn't have it seating properly, so it leaked through the actual intake itself. We did that, reseated the injectors, put new injectors in it, and it fixed it. It runs, it drives, got to the store no problem. I started having electrical issues because I kept unplugging and plugging the battery in and trying to start it. So some of my issues that I was having was my ignition switch. My ignition switch went bad. It doesn't start, it just turns on. I gotta change that switch, and then I got a new fender solenoid because the one that's currently on my truck is burnt out. This is why I've been using the flathead to jumpstart it. I did put a little bit too much oil in it, so there is a little bit of oil burning off, but it drives and cruises just fine. Still has a little bit high of an idle, but I think that's because of the new injectors. They are a little bit bigger than stock, so I'm gonna just let the computer adjust and redo all the electrical, and that should be it for this head gasket. Another issue I'm having, as you saw how the driveway looked this morning, my drain plug is leaking, and I do have to get a new one, or I might have to rethread it. I don't know yet. It's leaking a lot, but I still have enough in the truck to run, so I don't know. So I'm gonna stop talking and just get to it.
Guys, coming at you in another video. Today we're progressing with the 93?
Close. I'll give you two. 91
Ford F-150 Lariat edition with the premium seats.
Blown out.
It's not even with this car.
No, neither is these doors. The seats are. I actually didn't even give them like the rundown on the truck yet. I have a leaky oil pan, leaky oil drain, so it's literally all leaked out. Like most of it leaked out.
Oh, what the hell is that?
The drain plug is
man.
fucked. That's why I have all this shit with me, because I'm just filling it up and waiting until I can flush it out and put oil in it. But it runs much better.
And you said this is leaking?
It was the bottom runners. The bottom runners was leaking in the back two cylinders, so I had to take all this out, reseat it, put new gaskets on it. That fixed it. I gotta change this, and I had to change the ignition switch. Not so good. With the old and with the new. Now I'm trying to do all this fucking wiring. I don't need these wires anymore. Another broken piece of shit.
My punch. Ah, my toe. I saw that coming too.
Wait, can you say that one more time?
What you want it to look like versus what it came out to be.
So I'm doing a quick update. Truck runs and drives fine, but the oil consumption on oil leaking has become another major issue I'm having now. Nothing mechanical within the head or no coolant leaking, burning. or oil burning. The oil was burning because it was coming out the rear end, rear main seal, or coming out the oil pan gasket, which was making a cloud and plume of smoke all down 9. So tomorrow I'm gonna either drop the trans, or first of all diagnose where the oil leak is coming from. Hopefully it's not the rear main seal and it's just the oil pan or the drain plug, because I was doing that earlier because that was giving me issues. But currently sitting here, just gonna let it cool off, just add some more oil just so I can get at least home and work on it there. I'm just making an update on how shitty my truck is.
In the fucking dark, looking like a creeper? You look like you're about to tell a scary story.
Once upon a time,
Once
Ford
upon a
broke.
time, my Ford broke.
My Ford broke again. It inked.
Yeah, bro, there's ink all over the fucking parking lot.
Yes, I know. I didn't plan on it happening. It even inked when we were at the fucking car wash.
Like I said, what you wanna be, you're just missing 2 cylinders.
She's just rubbing in my face now. And I don't appreciate that.
You got my cap, you got my seat, you got my door.
Yeah, they don't know that yet. Oh, sorry. They don't know.
They don't know that yet.
Yo, I got subscribers, okay? They want to see what's going on in my life.
Your truck's a whore.
It literally is. It takes whatever it can. It's like bum.
I'm gonna ask cigarette.
Because, well, ask tobacco?
Can I have some tobacco?
I said Tabasco.
Some Tabasco sauce.
Shit's fucking crusty. Oh yeah. Okay, so I need to order a new motor mount now. Which is fucking great.